Welcome back. Today I've got a very interesting phone to do an unboxing on. Today we've got the Honor Magic V2. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's get this unboxed. So let's start. So when we unbox it, what we are greeted over here is the phone itself. So at the moment, let's keep the phone aside over here at the moment. And what else do we have? We got the box over here. Nothing else, just the tray. And then what we have over here, we got the USB chargers. We got the USB type A to USB type C over here. So I was expecting a USB type C to type C, but hey, that's all right. Let's keep this aside. So what we have here, 66 watt Honor supercharger. And what do we have over here? We got the SIM ejector tool. And when we open it, we got the leaflets over here and the manual, which I'm pretty sure nobody even bothers about it. And what we have here, if I'm not wrong, we've got the case over here. It's a nice carbon fiber case, which you can actually see it's got a kickstand over here. Nice springy action over here. And if I'm not wrong, there you go, you can actually rotate it. So when you are holding the phone either in the portrait mode or the landscape mode, you can actually choose whether you want to like this way or that way. And the kickstand is quite good actually. You can actually see it's got a nice springy action. And yeah, definitely, I would say a very, very well made case. Not a very cheap case by any means. Absolutely a brilliant case. So that done, let's put that aside. Let's come to the main event, which is, so let's open it up. Casing. And there you go. That's the phone in its full glory. It's got a frosted glass back over here. It's actually quite nice to the touch. It's got this 3-camera setup over here. And oh gosh, look at that. Look at that. It's so slim. Absolutely slim. You can actually see over here by the slimness, you can actually see the way the USB type C is. You can actually see just managed to cram it over there. It's absolutely slim. You got to hold it to really appreciate how slim they are. Absolutely mind-boggling. Absolutely mind-boggling how thin it is. Yeah, as it is a folding phone, yeah, you definitely get the crease, but the crease is not that deep by any means. So when you fold it, so it looks like any proper candy bar style phone, any folding phone, the hinge makes a huge difference. And look at the hinge, so slim. It doesn't feel quite heavy at all. It's quite slim and very lightweight. Even though the camera has got a big bump, it's not as pronounced as other folding phone cameras. You see, that's how it is in the sideways. So over here, yep, you got the USB type C. Along with that, you got the speaker grills, SIM card tray. You got the top firing speakers and obviously the bottom firing speakers. And on the side, you get the volume rocker buttons over here. And obviously, yes, side mounted fingerprint sensor. If I'm not wrong, I think this is an IR blaster, which some people like, some people don't, based on their preference. So when you open it up, that is how it looks. Again, it's such a gorgeous phone. I still can't get my head around like how slim it is. When you fold it, it's really, really good. The way Honor has made it is absolutely brilliant. And you can actually see it's completely flat. You don't see any gaps over there. It's absolutely flat. No gaps between the two. Really, really good. As far as the build quality is concerned, it's absolutely solid. And this is how it feels when you have the case on. And this is with the case. Even having a case, I just don't feel like there is a case on this one. As you can actually see, even with the kickstand, yeah, you can hold it like that, or you can even hold it like that to watch your contents. It's really, really good. So you can lay it like that. You can watch your movies, or either like that or like that, which is quite handy. That is the unboxing of the Honor Magic V2. Obviously, yes, I will be bringing more about the phone in my next videos, where I'll be going through its paces, how it is. So I am going to install the Google in this one to see how easy it is or difficult it is, and I will certainly tell you in my next video how my experience in using the Honor Magic V2 has been. So stay tuned to that, and thank you very much for watching.